Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitget token. Alright, so in order to buy the Bitget token, what do? Make sure you open up your Bitget account on the app, and once you're there, make sure you have an account on Bitget. If you do not have an account on the Bitget application, simply use our link in the description of the video to stand a chance to earn 1000 USDT new user rewards. All right, so once you've verified your account and you're on the Bitget application, how do you buy the Bitget token, which is native to the app? All you need to do is simply head to the add funds option and click on add funds. Now you could choose to deposit cryptocurrencies you hold outside of your Bitget account, or you could make use of your credit card. You could use the P2P trading, which is simply buying from someone in your local area or selling your already existing crypto for other crypto in your local area, or you could get yourself some crypto via bank transfer or your third-party options. All right, so with this in mind, you can make use of any of the payment options here to get yourself some USDT. So all you need to do is just make sure your account is verified and your information is readily available as well. And then for the P2P trading, all you need to do is just simply trade with a merchant who is selling USDT for you. So you're aiming to buy USDT. All right, so once you've gotten your USDT, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen, and where we have BGB, click on BGB and use the search to search for GB, which is the Bitget tokens short form. So click on BGB USDT, and now you could choose to simply buy or sell. We're here to buy, so under the market option, make sure you select market, which helps us buy at the current price of the market without having to wait for an order to be filled. So now all you need to do is enter the amount of USDT you wish to spend on this token and simply click on buy. By doing this, you have successfully bought the Bitget token on your account, and to find it, head to the assets menu at the bottom right, scroll from the overview to your spot or funding account, and you'd find the Bitget tokens here. So guys, that's how you can easily get this done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.